Hi, I'm Annie with Bright Star Massage in Eugene, Oregon. Here's another video in my Resolution Basics series. Today I want to talk specifically about eliminating negative habits and the importance of replacing the bad habit with a positive activity. So when you are eliminating habits, you have to replace something with the habit that you're eliminating. If you don't, then there's a big blank spot right there where you used to perform that habit. There's going to be nothing and it's going to feel weird. You need to decide ahead of time, what are you going to do instead? So let's just take the example of having a drink when you get home from work every day. Maybe you think it's possibly not a good idea to have a drink every single day, and you would like to limit your drinking to special occasions only. So when you get home from work at 6 o'clock or 6:30, whenever you get home, what are you going to do instead of drink? If you just try to resist the drinking and you don't have a replacement activity to do instead, you're going to feel really weird. It's going to feel like something's off, something's missing, and you just don't know what to do with yourself. So instead of drinking, you could take a bath and have some tea, or you could play a video game if that's what you're into, or practice guitar. Doesn't really matter what you replace it with, hopefully something positive and healthy, but you have to have an idea of one or even several things that you're going to do instead of the habit that you're trying to break. So maybe instead of a drink when you get home, you want to have like a LaCroix or something, It's not the same as whiskey, but it's bubbly, it's festive. It kind of gives you that cocktail hour feeling. So what if you want to stop complaining? Maybe out loud or even in your head. What are you going to do instead? Maybe every time you start to complain out loud, you stop yourself and instead in your mind, you think of something you're grateful for. So this applies to any habit. Anytime you remove one thing, it has to be replaced with something else.